Alright, so this morning you saw my office in all of disarray. All sorts of stuff was in here. Well, I am taking apart the desk. I'm going to move it over to the other side. I have my little robot that's vacuuming as I'm moving stuff. Thank you, little Spot. And here we go. Before and after. Yep. I'm not putting anything in this room unless it's going to make me $1 million. Now, I haven't gone through that yet, but that's my next thing to do, is go through this because this is where all my books are from college. So I'm going to start getting rid of all that stuff that I don't need because I decided I'm not going to finish up college to be a doctor. Just can't do it with the issues that are going on. And that's why I'm going full-time into real estate investing. Let me show you what I've done over here. I've made a little spot right here for my assistant that will be working with me. And my desk area is going to be right over here. No big crazy computers. Laptops will work. Nice little printer with the scanner to scan and print things that I need to do. So very easy and simple. Here's my quick start plan. I got a checklist for things I'm going to be doing over the next 30 days so I can be a millionaire. And all the CDs and DVDs that I can possibly imagine that I need to do, plus more reading material over here, and a bunch of stuff that I haven't put back in here yet that's still part of my real estate investing thing. So step one, day one, organize my office, get everything ready to go, and spend 1 hour on my business today. And that's all I'm going to do is start reading this, get my checklist, and I am done. I'm done for the day. Subscribe if you haven't, because I'm going to be a millionaire in 365 days. You might want to learn how.